Hello guys, I said back to you with new solution. I'm going to solve richest customer wealth. So definitely we have 2D array, definitely two-dimensional as I can see, and we need to count the most amount of money which each customer has. So first of all, I'm going to start array which will be called wealth, and it will hold like the wealth of each customer. Then I'm going to start a new variable called sum. Then I'm going to start a for loop for account in accounts. Definitely when we get right here it's not enough, because we will have answer like first array and then second one, but we have two D array, so we need to start another one, and we're going to plus the wealth of each customers goes from the sum of whole numbers which we have here, and we are going to add each number one by one to sum. Then we're going to append our sum, wealth.append sum. So like we get 1, we add 1 to sum, we add 2, we add 2 to sum, we add 3, we add 3 to sum, and then after our appending, we are going to nullify our sum variable, because we don't need our wealth to be stacked from one user to another one. We will get definitely the sum of money of whole users, but we definitely need it one by one, so I'm nullify the sum variable, and finally I just return max function of wealth. Probably I don't need to explain what does max do, and submit. Yeah, as you can see, it passes all the tests. Maybe not that speed, but probably it's okay. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful for someone. Have a nice day.